Keeping your home comfortable through every season in Clinton Township can be a challenge. Summers bring warm, humid air, while winters often deliver freezing temperatures and biting winds. When your windows aren't performing the way they should, you can feel those weather extremes inside your home: drafty rooms, uneven temperatures, and higher energy bills. That's why more homeowners in Clinton Township are choosing replacement windows as one of the most effective upgrades for boosting comfort all year long. Better insulation for harsh Michigan winters. If your current windows are older, single pane, or showing signs of wear, they're likely letting precious heat escape during the winter months. New replacement windows are engineered to significantly improve insulation. Features such as double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low-E coatings help trap warmth inside your home and block cold air from seeping in. By reducing heat loss, replacement windows eliminate the cold spots and drafty areas that many homeowners experience near older windows. Rooms stay warmer with less reliance on your furnace, allowing you to enjoy a consistent temperature throughout your home even during a long Clinton Township winter. Superior cooling efficiency in the summer. Just as replacement windows help keep warmth inside during the winter, they also prevent excessive heat from entering your home in the summer. Energy-efficient windows come with advanced glass packages designed to reflect solar heat rather than absorb it. This makes a noticeable difference when the sun is beating down during July and August. When less heat enters your home, your air conditioning system doesn't have to work nearly as hard. That means lower cooling costs, more consistent temperatures, and better overall comfort, especially in rooms that face direct sunlight. Eliminating drafts and air leakage. Drafts are one of the biggest comfort problems homeowners face with older windows. Warping, cracked seals, and deteriorating caulking allow outdoor air to leak in and conditioned air to escape. Even small gaps can make rooms feel chilly in winter or warm in summer. Replacement windows are built to create a tight seal with your home's envelope. With modern weather stripping, improved frame materials, and precision installation, they eliminate unwanted airflow. The result is a more stable indoor environment where you no longer feel sudden temperature changes or chills when walking past a window. Improved humidity and moisture control. Humidity plays a big role in how comfortable your home feels throughout the year. During summer, high humidity makes the air feel warmer and heavier, while in winter it can contribute to condensation issues around older windows. Energy-efficient replacement windows help regulate indoor humidity by reducing air leakage and preventing outside moisture from entering your home. They minimize condensation buildup, which protects your window frames, reduces the chance of mold growth, and maintains a healthier indoor environment. Noise reduction. For a more peaceful home, comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about peace and quiet. Modern replacement windows offer excellent noise reduction features thanks to insulated glass and durable frame construction. Whether you live near busy roads, schools, or active neighborhoods, new windows help block outside noise so your home feels more relaxing year-round. Lower energy bills every season. One of the biggest benefits of improving comfort with replacement windows is how much you can save on energy. By minimizing heating and cooling loss throughout the year, you reduce your reliance on HVAC systems. Homeowners in Clinton Township often notice lower utility bills almost immediately after installing new windows. Over time, those savings can add up significantly. A smart investment in comfort and value. Replacing your windows is more than just a home improvement. It's an investment in your daily comfort and quality of life. With better insulation, improved energy efficiency, enhanced humidity control, and a quieter indoor environment, new windows help you enjoy your home more every month of the year. And as an added bonus, visually appealing and energy-efficient windows also boost your home's curb appeal and long-term value.